Hi everyone. Then we start chapter 6, regression and correlation. So chapter 6 and later are the main topic of this course. So chapter 1 to 5 covers the basics of our language and also basics of statistics. So from now on, that we do more practical, the data analysis. So investigate relationship between two variables, X and Y. For example, X is the horsepower of the car and Y is the mileage, something like that. And the chapter 6 and later are mostly the same topic, but we have different type of data. So suppose that we want to explain Y by X, and we have the continuous X, numerical X, and sometimes the categorical X. So the most typical case is X is numeric, and Y is also numeric and continuous. And sometimes X is categorical, and Y may be categorical also. So chapter 6 discuss the case that X and Y are both numeric. And chapter 7 they discuss when X is categorical but Y is still the numeric. And actually the X, whether this is numeric or categorical, that doesn't really matter. So the model is almost the same. Actually, we can see that the categorical case is just a kind of special case of the numeric case. And chapter 8, that we discuss the case that both X and Y are categorical. In such a case, we only have the finite possibilities for the pair. So it's a pretty different analysis. And the chapter 9 and 10 that we skip, those are a little different topics. And chapter 11, again, that we come back to numeric versus numeric, but we consider the multiple variables, x1 and x2 and so on. And chapter 12 is a kind of combination of chapter 6, 7 and 11. So chapter 11 is somewhat more complicated case and the more examples. And chapter 13 is X is numeric and the Y is actually binary. That is a special case of categorical. So we discuss this. So chapter 6 is important because we start to discuss how to investigate relationship between X and Y. Yeah, so probably you have studied regression analysis in Stat 20-10, but we go a little deeper in this course. And our textbook, the Dalgaard Introductory Statistics with R, it has the very little theoretical explanation, so that you can see as a textbook. So in the syllabus that I introduced several books. I think that all of these reference books have more comprehensive explanation on statistical theory for regression analysis. So I think one good thing is the Julian Faraway's book, The Practical Regression and ANOVA Using R. So this is available on the CRAN website. And some other books are also nice, this one. And the number 4 was used as the textbook for 50-30 the last year when it was taught by Dr. Mandal. And the first book also has some explanation. And most books are available online, so that you can see those references if you are not certain about the statistical theory behind linear regression. So I make slides self-contained, but still, if you don't understand something, that it's useful to see references.